Fantastic Four First Steps Official Teaser Trailer, let's go, OK. Pedro Pascal v hlavnej úlohe, dámy a páni, môžeme si to hneď pozrieť, lebo tí, ktorí ste tu, tak si to rovno pozriem s vami. Ty kokos, poďme na to.
Welcome to the Baxter Building.
We make a point to do family dinner every week. Sunday at 7, on the dot, no matter what.
Let's go, Pedro
We're all
Pascal.
here.
Marvel je zpátky.
How's that sauce coming? Yeah, I'll be the judge of that. Okay. Okay, is this guy good or what? I want to add a couple cloves of garlic. Not because it's not delicious, I just want to add a little bit of zip, okay?
T-5.
Before we went up the first time, you couldn't turn invisible. Ben wasn't a rock.
The best pilot in the world right here.
Yeah. Best looking, he means.
And Johnny never caught fire.
Ben has always been a rock. Johnny is Johnny.
Hi!
And I am right here. Whatever life throws at us, we'll face it together.
Okay. Galactus?
As a family.
Ale kokot. Digon, Toretto. No, dobre kámo, tak akože posadené to je keby v obdobiach jak niečo jak Loki, staršie obdobie nejaké a vyzerá to na posadenie.